Hey friend, it's Melanie Ferguson. It's been a while, but we are gonna be doing our Friday favorite finds. I'm so excited to share this week's with you guys because this week is all about Christmas. So if you haven't already done this yet, this is a great opportunity to grab stocking stuffers. So let me get started. The first stocking stuffer that I have is this amazing pair of herb scissors. I can't think of the name. Anyway, I love these. I was a little hesitant at first to grab them, but once I did, I was super glad because look, they have all of these blades in them and they shred your the little chives and all those little ones that the recipes call for that are so cumbersome. And you can cut them up and then use this handy little thing right here to just wipe all of them out of the blades, because you know, with all the blades, you're like, and I wouldn't put it in the dishwasher. It is dishwasher safe. I would just use the little cleaner and then rinse them off with warm soapy water. But I love these. And listen, these things are for people who pretty much have everything. Do you have people on your list who have it all? And you're like, what should I get them? So with the scissors comes this second item. It's in a 2-pack. You get this and the scissors. This is my favorite part. You actually can put your herbs in the holes and thread them out and get all the leaves off. So I used this last night on our cilantro. We make a lot of salsa that's homemade and it calls for cilantro. So you just put the little stem in the hole and pull it out and all of the leaves are left behind. Oh my gosh, and if it doesn't get any better than that, you've got a knife. On this end, there is a blade and it is super sharp. It actually comes with this little cover case, and I use this to rock over the cilantro leaves after I've pulled them off. So this works for rosemary, and we've got Thanksgiving coming up. So just grab yourself this little pair of items for your favorite person and use them as a stocking stuffer. Super love these. All right, that's a twofer. You got twofer for number one. Number two is this CeraVe, I don't know how you say it, CeraVe, I don't know. Anyway, this is amazing cream. I grabbed it because I don't know about you guys. I don't know about you, but I'm always wanting to get like little freckles and age spots and things like that off of my skin. And I used to be an esthetician. I don't know if you know that, but I used to be an esthetician. I don't really know if used to is a word. I'm still licensed. So you've got glycolic acid in this. You've got glycolic and it says licorice root, but the ceramides. The ceramides are amazing in this. What I love about this cream, guys, you put it on at night after you clean your face before your moisturizer and it tingles. Like you can start to feel it working. I love that part. So this is going to be one of my favorite Friday finds that you can use as an awesome stocking stuffer for the person who has everything, right? One more beauty product. So I love this Modern Muse perfume. I have used this for probably 15 years. It smells amazing. And so I just use it every single day, all right? This is my new box. I thought of it for you because I was running out and I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to open a new box. And so I wanted to share this with you guys. The Modern Muse is by Estee Lauder, and there are different, I call them flavors, but there's different scents or tweaks on the versions. This is the pink box, and I will link it here as well. All right, fridge liners. The person who has everything probably doesn't have some of these. These are a game changer for your refrigerator. It has these little plastic ribbed sheets that you put on each shelf. So you know how when you are having the milk, for some reason, milk, almond milk, all of them, they make those little flake things on your shelf in your refrigerator? Well, clean it all up, put one of these down, and you'll never look back. These are awesome. All right. Last but not least, number 5 is a pair of these, I don't even know what you call them, guys, but they're just handy gadgets. And again, gadgets are a great stocking stuffer for your person who has everything. Trust me. So this is what they look like. I've already used this one. You can hang it in your pantry. They are the most darling little things. You pull this off when you're ready to use it. And one side, y'all, I need my glasses. One side is the cutting end tool. You cut your chips. Let me show you. Okay, on this set of Lays, we are going to cut off the top. It comes off super easy. And then you take the other end and you hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then you can use this end to seal the bag. Bada bing, bada boom. It is awesome, y'all. Trust me, these things are amazing. It comes in a 2-pack, so you could give them to 2 different people. It could be 2 gifts in one if you wanted, because I don't really know why you need more than one, unless you have 2 places in the house. But what will probably happen is we keep this one for us, and then I send this other one with my son to college. So all sorts of ideas of ways that you can use these, but this is handy. It makes a clean, soft, clean edge. You can't cut your fingers on it, and then it actually seals it back up, y'all. We were using clothespins to seal it up, but my family wouldn't put the clothespins back on. So this has been a lifesaver for us and our family. So just to recap, for the person who has everything, you've got these fun herb cutting scissors, and then the cleaner that comes with them automatically. Why am I missing the hole? There. The sleeve, and then the cleaner that comes with them, and then the little herb stripper. So you put your herb through there, pull it out, and all the leaves stay back, and then you can chop it up with the other side. All right, that's a twofer. You get those 2 items in one order. And then you've got the fridge liners, and you've got the CeraVe, I don't know how you say it, night treatment. So you can use this day and night, but I just use it at night before my moisturizer after the cleanser. And then the Modern Muse. This perfume will make any person smell amazing. I think that it is a neutral smell. It smells so light, soft, not really floral. It's just light and soft, and I love it. All right, guys, that is our Friday favorite finds, and I hope you go and just click the link, find yourself all the stocking stuffers so that you are ready for Christmas.